Welcome to Shared Roamings. Our channel is dedicated to sharing travel experiences for the benefit of others.
If you value the lessons in this video and would like to support us to create more helpful content, please like, subscribe and comment. It really means a lot to us. Are you new to flying and not quite sure what the frequent flyer programs airlines offer are about or how you earn points? Or have you signed up for an airline's frequent flyer program but haven't really done more research around its benefits and how it can be used? Have you ever flown an airline and not even bothered to register to earn frequent flyer miles? Oh no! That is literally money down the drain if you completely ignore frequent flyer points. Whether you're a bit familiar with frequent flyer miles or know nothing at all about them, this video will help you understand how they work and how you can use them to maximize travel benefits and go further with your hard-earned money. Let's dive into this mystical world of airline travel programs. We have another video that will go over how airline alliances work, which can be like rocket fuel to your frequent flyer points. Please watch that after watching this video. I'll now hand you over to Lisa to explain frequent flyer programs in more detail.
Thank you, Sophia. Hello everyone, welcome to our overview of frequent flyer programs. We hope this helps you become a wiser traveler. Most airlines offer frequent flyer mile programs. This is their way of rewarding passengers and encouraging them to fly with them again, thus building brand and customer loyalty. As a passenger, you don't automatically earn frequent flyer miles. You have to sign up for the airline's frequent flyer program. It's easy to do this. You will need to provide some essential basic information, like your name, date of birth, email address, phone number, and other details that the airline can use to properly identify you. After you've signed up and created your frequent flyer mile program, you get assigned a frequent flyer mile number. When you book a flight while logged into the account you created, your travel miles will be automatically converted to frequent flyer miles, otherwise known as frequent flyer points. If you have a frequent flyer number for an airline and you book a ticket outside of the online account you created, such as with a travel agent or a third-party travel site, you can still provide your frequent flyer number and the tickets purchased will be associated with your frequent flyer account. That way when you travel, your account will be credited the miles, even if they were not purchased directly by you from the airline. So it's very important you are able to reference your frequent flyer number whenever you are booking a ticket with an airline. You earn your frequent flyer miles or points after you complete your flights, not at the time of ticket purchase. If you happen to book tickets then cancel your travel plans or miss your flight, you won't earn any points for that trip. While you're flying, you're earning points. If you're not registered with the airline's frequent flyer program, you're losing out, especially if you fly multiple times in a year. Note that you can only earn points from your personal flights. If you booked plane tickets for someone else, their ticket and flight cannot be used to give you more points. So if you're traveling with friends or members of your family, you should make sure they sign up for the frequent flyer program as well so you can earn points together for future travels. Today there are over 70 frequent flyer programs, or FFPs, offered by airlines around the world. Chances are the airlines you have flown or will fly have a program you can register and earn points from. Airlines have special names for their frequent flyer programs. Here are how they're called for the top U.S. airlines. A Advantage for American Airlines. Sky Miles for Delta Airlines. Mileage Plus for United Airlines. Rapid Rewards for Southwest Airlines. True Blue for JetBlue Airways. And Mileage Plan for Alaska Airlines. Some frequent flyer programs of non-US international airlines are Aeroplan for Air Canada. Miles and More for Lufthansa. Executive Club for British Airways. Qantas Frequent Flyer for Qantas. Marco Polo Club for Cathay Pacific. Skywards for Emirates. KrisFlyer for Singapore Airlines. Flying Blue for Air France. JAL Mileage Bank for Japan Airlines. And ANA Mileage Club for ANA or All Nippon Airways. Flying just once may not earn you enough points to redeem by themselves, but once you've flown a few times with the same airlines, your points start to build up and become more valuable. As long as you fly with the same airline within 18 to 24 months, depending on the airline, your points will continue to remain active and accumulate. Now for the juicy stuff, how to use all the points you've accumulated. You've done your part by registering for the frequent flyer program, booking multiple flights with the same airline as a loyal customer, and maybe even signed up for the airline credit card to earn those extra points. What can you use your newly accumulated treasure of points for? Here are the top ways flyers have used their frequent flyer points. 1. Free flights. One of the most popular and traditional ways to use frequent flyer miles is to redeem them for free flights. This can include both domestic and international flights, and can be a great way to save money on travel expenses. 2. Upgrades. Frequent flyer miles can also be used to upgrade your seat to a higher class, such as business or first class, for a more comfortable and luxurious travel experience. Imagine flying first class for the price of a coach ticket. 3. Hotel stays. Many airlines have partnerships with hotels, allowing members to redeem their miles for free hotel stays. This can be a great way to save money on accommodation costs while traveling. 4. Car rentals. Similar to hotel stays, many airlines also have partnerships with car rental companies, allowing members to redeem their miles for free car rentals. 5. Shopping and merchandise. Many frequent flyer programs have an online mall where members can redeem their miles for a wide variety of products, such as electronics, gift cards, and other merchandise. 6. Experiences and activities. Some frequent flyer programs offer miles redemption options for experiences and activities such as tours, cruises, and theme park tickets. 7. Gift miles. Some frequent flyer programs allow members to transfer miles to other members, including friends and family. This can be a great way to share the benefits of your frequent flyer program with others. The list goes on, including booking tickets for your pets and going on mystery flights offered by the airline. Make sure to do more research around what offerings the airlines you fly have in their frequent flyer programs. Also, make sure you familiarize yourself around the expiration policies airlines have around frequent flyer points. You have several ways to use them other than flying, as mentioned earlier. Knowing what you know now about frequent flyer programs, isn't it crazy to think of how many people fly without taking advantage of earning points for their flights? You are now an informed traveler and can take the next step in becoming an experienced travel warrior. This is just the tip of the iceberg of airline frequent flyer mile programs.
Thank you for this great overview, Lisa. I can't wait to start earning and using frequent flyer points. Thank you everyone for watching. Please make sure to check out our other travel videos so you can be a savvy traveler. We wish you happy and safe travels. Please subscribe, like, and drop us a comment if you appreciate this video.